Buying a certified pre-owned vehicle in Ontario is a smart choice. It gives you the peace of mind that your used car has been thoroughly inspected and refurbished to meet high-quality standards. Here's what's included in the pre-owned certification process in Ontario. 1. Comprehensive inspection. Every CPO vehicle undergoes a rigorous multi-point inspection. Trained technicians carefully examine the engine, transmission, brakes, suspension, and more. 2. Repairs and reconditioning. Any identified issues are repaired using genuine manufacturer parts. The vehicle is then reconditioned to look and feel like new. 3. Vehicle history report. You'll receive a complete vehicle history report detailing past accidents, title history, and mileage verification. On top of that, extended warranty options. Most CPO programs in Ontario offer an extended warranty, providing additional coverage beyond the original warranty. Roadside assistance. Enjoy peace of mind with 24/7 roadside assistance, including services like towing, lockout assistance, and more. Test drive. Before you drive off, take the car for a test drive. Ensure it meets your expectations and handles well on the road. Certification badge. A certified pre-owned badge is affixed to the vehicle, showing that it meets the manufacturer's standards. Customer satisfaction. Dealerships prioritize your satisfaction. If you're not completely happy, they'll work to make it right. Buying a certified pre-owned vehicle in Ontario means you're getting a high-quality, reliable car backed by an optional warranty. So, when you're in the market for a used car in Ontario, consider going certified pre-owned for a worry-free driving experience.